Hi everyone, this is from the other year on Boxing Day at Hemsby. So if you want to know what it's like on Boxing Day at Hemsby, this is it. Amusements are open, nothing much else, but you can still pop into the amusements, have a go on some of the fruit machines, have some fun. Right, welcome to my channel. We are now at Hemsby, just a short drive up from Great Yarmouth. So I thought I'd just have a quick look, see what's open, and it is literally just the amusements. It's not the best Boxing Day to come out. It is very wet and windy. As you can see, the amusements are open on Boxing Day at Hemsby. I think this was 2021, so I just thought I'd share this video again with everybody. It has been on the YouTube page, but I've never put it on the Facebook page. So I'm just recording this from the YouTube channel. But if you come to Hemsby on Boxing Day, it will be open. It wasn't the best of days, as you can see, weather-wise. I'm not sure whether it would be a bit busier if it was a nicer day, probably. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to
leave it at that now because my camera's getting very wet. I don't think it's waterproof.
and it was quite expensive. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave your comments below, and that's it for this one box.